Section 7 RS vs. R, a tale of two performance philosophies. While both the Audi RS and R series share a commitment to performance, they approach it from different angles, catering to distinct driving preferences. The RS series represents a more practical approach to performance, offering a blend of power, handling, and everyday usability that makes these cars incredibly versatile. They are designed to excel in a variety of driving situations, from daily commutes to spirited weekend drives without sacrificing comfort or convenience. The R series, on the other hand, embodies Audi's uncompromised pursuit of supercar excellence. These cars are built for pure driving enjoyment, prioritizing performance and handling above all else. They are designed to thrill on winding roads and racetracks, offering a visceral driving experience that few other vehicles can match. Choosing between an RS and an R model ultimately comes down to individual priorities and driving style. Those seeking a blend of performance and practicality will find the RS series to be the perfect fit, while those who crave the unadulterated thrill of a supercar will gravitate towards the R series. Section 8. Advantages of owning an RS or R. Owning an Audi from either the RS or R series comes with a host of advantages that go beyond the thrill of performance. These cars represent the pinnacle of Audi's engineering prowess, offering a unique blend of luxury, technology, and exclusivity that sets them apart from the mainstream. One of the most significant advantages is the prestige associated with owning an Audi RS or R model. These cars are highly sought after by automotive enthusiasts, and their exclusivity ensures that they turn heads wherever they go. The iconic badges and aggressive styling cues serve as a testament to the owner's discerning taste and appreciation for high-performance automobiles. Beyond the prestige factor, both the RS and R series offer a level of refinement and luxury that is rarely found in performance cars. From the meticulously crafted interiors to the advanced technology features, these cars provide a premium driving experience that is both exhilarating and sophisticated. The use of high-quality materials, comfortable seats, and a comprehensive suite of convenience features ensures that every drive is a special occasion.